Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online.
Oh yeah, that's the ticket. Okay. Well, I gotta move something. Well, yep, hello, how's it going, guys? Welcome to today's video. Real quick, you guys saw, there's some packages over there. But anyways, I'm on the way to the shop. Yeah, I'll see you guys at the shop. I'm not gonna make this freaking intro too long. All right, well, we're at the shop. It is freaking mint out today. It's a little bit windy, but like, that's nice, you know, because in the shop it's like just barely a breeze. But as you guys may or may not have saw in the car, I got myself a little present gift, whatever you want to call it, from my homies over at Koenig. So again, shout out Scott for always hooking me up with wheels and friggin' just being the dopest sponsor I could ever ask for. Boom. So these are Koenig Freeforms 18 by 10.5 plus 18. For 18s, this is the widest wheel and lowest offset you can get. You can see the concave right there is real nice. I always liked white wheels, so I figured the matte silver would be like the next best for me. So I'm gonna try these out, and I really like them. I really like the freaking concave because, like, basically these wheels, these are the same wheels Callie has. But she has 18 by 9.5 plus 25, I think, or 28. These, like I said, are 18 by 10.5. So, nice thing about these is these are also 18 by 10.5. So I don't have to buy expensive sticky tires. I could just put these on those, and then I can use these for my burners. And the reason behind me getting new wheels is, I don't know if you guys remember, if you guys saw it or not, but basically at full lock with the GK Tech angle kit, I'm like right about to touch the sway bar. Like under some stress, that would probably rub a little bit. Not enough to like stop the wheel or anything, but it would probably rub a little bit. And this side has slightly more clearance. The whole thing is because these are a 25 offset plus 25. That's a plus 18. So that being an extra 7 mil should give me the clearance I need to be running, you know, full lock, which still isn't full lock with this, but I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. It's around 60 degrees of angle, so that should be more than enough for me. I wish I can get, like, I gotta get this thing on a lift at some point and do that, like, bottom to top, like, picture of the wheels bugging out like this, you know? They're like, you know, like that. You guys get it? Anyways, let me take one of these wheels off and test fit these, because I'm probably the most anxious I've ever been, because I don't know, dude. New wheels is always exciting. Like of all the sponsors I can get, I think the wheel sponsor is definitely like pinnacle favorite type deal for me, because like everyone, like, new wheels is like, it's like getting like a new car, you know what I mean? Like, this thing has had the hypergrams on it for so long that like when those wheels go on it, it's gonna look like a new car. So I think not this week, but the week after, because this weekend we're going camping with Ronnie. And yeah, you know, Memorial Day weekend. So the weekend after, probably I'm gonna try to get all. These tires are getting junked. I can't be fucking with these bald ass tires. But I'm gonna try to get all these wheels on here with the new tires, and I'm gonna try to get the tires on the Prelude wheels as well. I can't wait, dude. I'm so hyped. Anyways, enough talking. I'm gonna take this wheel off and get one of the Freeforms on it. Alright, so that's the hypergram with no spacer in it right now. Let's see if I can get it from up here. Like, they're towed in a little bit. Good amount actually, but you can see like where the wheel sits. So let's try the lower offset, same width. Oh yeah. I usually don't like wheels without the tires, but like I can kind of picture this and it looks pretty damn dope. I really like that concave, dude. And a little bit more offset is like perfect. I can dial out the camber a little bit more. I have to take some toe out of this. This is way too much, but damn. No spacer in the back, a little bit less toe. Toe in anyway. I gotta toe it out to make it, you know, proper, and a little bit less camber. Because as you can see with this wheel, I have camber, but not much of it. Before I was like completely destroying like the 2 rows and then all that, whatever. You guys get it. I gotta get rid of some camber, and yeah, once I get rid of camber, that'll push the top of this out a little bit more. It'll be mint. Look at that. I'm hyped. That looks fire. I really like that. That silver is like so bright and it's not shiny, which is like, I don't like the shiny. I like the flat. That's fire fitment for a Z right there. Yeah, I like it. I don't know how the video will do it, but yeah, I think it looks good on video. That's sick. So I gotta put the center caps on, but I'm not gonna do that because last time we put the center caps on before we friggin' went and got the tires done, the dude lost 2 of the center caps somehow. So I don't know, but there we go. That's a good representation of the other side. See how it's like in there a little bit more? Freeforms are wider, but I will be using these. Now I have 6 tires. Now I have 6 wheels that I could just put tires on, go to an event, and just burn the tires off. I don't know. Better than changing tires at the actual event. So very nice. Actually, sorry, not 6 tires. I have 8 tires. I have 8 tires because these are going to be on the rear anyway. So, oh man, I'm going to need a lot of 18-inch tires. But that's one thing about owning a 240 or like a BMW. You can run like 15s, 16s, and 17s, which are super cheap compared to 18s. But I ain't complaining because I love this car. And I can't wait to rip this thing boosted on the new wheels, dude. Literally, the only thing I need now is coilovers because these coilovers suck. They're junk. I'm sorry. Like, oh, we can test this now. Oh yeah, that is absolutely perfect. Look how much farther that is. Mint. We got all the friggin' clearance in the world. We ain't hitting nothing. Alright, cool. Little test fit for you guys there. That's dope. You know what I just realized? I have more. I'm trying to make this video super short. I'm sorry guys, like, because my Wi-Fi's been shot. Like, I can't friggin' upload. Like, it's junk. I ran out of friggin' hotspot. I ran out of 55 gigs of hotspot on my damn iPhone because I was trying to get my friggin' Mac going and I had to upload. I had to like, I probably downloaded like 50 gigs of like firmware to download and update the MacBook because I started it from like the base or whatever. My brother did it actually, but I just realized, anyways, I now have more Koenigs than Cali because at first I had the full set on this car of hypergrams and 2 more, and Cali has a full set of freeforms on her Subi and a full set of ampliforms on her Z. Now I've rightfully taken my crown back. Alright, Cali? So I have 1 rear, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mint. I have rightfully taken my crown, Cali. Alright? I have 2 more wheels than you. Damn it. Oh man. Well, I'm really not going to do anything else because I don't have anything else. Well, I have other stuff to do, but I can't do anything. I need to get the brakes set up on this thing, but I need help bleeding them. Can't do it myself. And yeah, so maybe I'll try to see if someone will come up and help me bleed these brakes tomorrow. Basically, when the brakes are bled, Jimmy can come tune it, and after Jimmy tunes it, then, you know, we starting on body work and paint, and this thing gonna look flea. But anyways, just wanted to, you know, make a super quick video because I'm definitely gonna have to go somewhere to upload this, like Starbucks or something. I don't even know where Starbucks is. McDonald's maybe, I don't know. But I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys the new wheels, the reasons that I got them, and you know how they look on the car. Actually, I also really like how this has like a flat lip right here. It's like super flat, and then kind of just, I don't know, I just really like the design of these wheels. So you guys know where to go, alright? All links will be in the description. Huge, massive shout out to Koenig. You know, having these extra sets of wheels will definitely help me out and keep me on the track. So yeah, and we're gonna be hitting the track. Hopefully, I'm trying my best. I want to make it to the July event. Like this month, like I need to make it to, well, not this month. I thought the event was this month, but the July event, like I need to go to that event. So I'm gonna try my absolute hardest to get this thing up and going and at that damn event and slaying some tire. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Hope you guys enjoyed the short video. I know it was mostly just talking, but I need to show you guys my wheels and explain why I got these wheels. Let me know what you think about the new wheels. Do you like the Hypergrams better? Do you like the Freeforms better? Is there another wheel from Koenig that you guys like? Let me know. Maybe I'll try them out. Go pick yourself up some Koenigs, alright? Again, shout out to Scott. Shout out to Koenig as a company. Shout out to everyone that supports me. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. I will see you guys next time, where we'll probably be working on the Z because I need to get back on that. So, peace out.